Yeah, guys, now we're going to create you're going to learn how to make a donation button or a pay button or a pay now button from PayFast, and you embed that button into your website so that people can donate or they can pay for something. So what you got to do now, you have to go to PayFast, then you log in. After logging in, you're gonna go to, it will tell you to go to something like dashboard. You, after logging in, you're gonna click on dashboard. Once you're there, that's when things gonna happen. I logged in before. I think the site is trying to kick me out or to take me back to the dashboard. Okay, now you're on dashboard. When you're on dashboard, you're gonna see a button saying generate. You say pay now button, or there are two options: request payment. We're gonna use what they say, generate on pay now. We say create. Just click create. That's all. You're done. Once you create, you click generate. Then it comes here, and leave these settings the way they are. But if you can change, maybe this is a pay now, there's buy now, there's subscribe now, whatever. If you want to use buy now, you can take buy now or whatever you want to do. So okay, let me say buy now right now, and you put in the item or service, stroke service. We say donation, so somebody's gonna pay us just for donation. But then if you say buy now, then it won't make much sense. We say pay now, and then you come here. You don't, if you want to put something, put something. If you don't want to do that, leave it. So money, we're gonna put maybe 20 rands. Then you say URL, leave it like the way it is, because we're learning here. This don't do anything, just generate. After generating that button, you're gonna see something. I did this the first video, but the first video was on WordPress. So now we're gonna do plain HTML. So you click on that if you want to copy, but you click on that, it means it's copying all this code for you. Or if you want to highlight like manually, you can highlight and copy all the entire code. But if you want to do it easily, you click here, and you go find your HTML file. I created one here. I'm gonna say open with Notepad. This thing is blank, so when I paste that in there, I'm gonna save, and I double click on this, then it takes me here. My button is say pay now. So guys, we're good to go. So when we click on the button, what's gonna happen? Click on that. Just wait and see. Yes, it takes us here, tells us you're gonna pay 20 rands, and it will first ask you for the email address. You put in your email address, king@me.com, whatever you want. But anyway, it's working 100%. That's all what you needed, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel, and ask any question if you want to. If you proceed, this is what's gonna happen. If you proceed, that's what's gonna happen. But anyway, guys, that's what the video. Now you know how to do that, to tell you to choose the card, whatever you want to know. Then once you hear, just know that your donation button is working 100%. So the customer is gonna choose anything he wants, guys. That was the end of our video. Bye bye. I love you guys.